Don't stop, turn off the lights, nauseous when I...
Hi guys, this is Jessica Queen Wells. I am getting ready for church, so I have on this little dress. You probably saw it in my haul. Well, you will see it in my haul coming up. I told you all the reasons why I love it. I've got on my little pearl earrings, so yes. And you know, Mother's Day is coming up, and I got something that's going to be perfect for Mother's Day. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking heavy. It is the Mountrax foot massager. This is superior foot massager. You know, every time your mother goes to work or she's like up doing something, you know, they love pedicures. But a lot of people have foot problems, and yeah, this is going to help with that. There is a resemblance to, oh my God, I tore the package. Y'all know I'm not good with getting packages unstuck, but this is actually perfect. As you can see, it has a kneading and like Shiatsu type massage. It has heat, and there's a auto timer. So let's just open this up right here. Let me get all this stuff off of it. Okay, so let's just open this up. You know, if your mom is more into different colors, yeah, do get her different colors. Okay, let's see. Oh man, this is nice and sturdy. Okay, let's see. Now this will fit up to a men's size 12, so dad can use it too. It'll make a perfect Father's Day gift as well. Oh man, look at this. So you get your remote control and your book right here. It's going to tell you exactly how to use it. So this is the remote control. That's just cute. And then as you can see right here, it tells you exactly what's on. You turn it on. Mine's not charged yet, so I gotta charge this up. Let me see. I gotta read the directions. That would help. And here's the plug. Oh, you just plug it up. So plug it up. Let me see if I can plug this up so I can show you guys how this works. Okay, so got my plug, and let's see, where's the plug? Well, the plug is right here on the side, so I'm just gonna stick that in. Let's just plug this up and see. Oh my goodness, let's see. Let's turn it on. Oh, that's the timer. Oh, nice. The power button is right there in the middle. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. If you put your hand in here, you can feel all the small heads moving around. You know, this can be good for migraines as well, because they have something to, I think that they pinch the feet. Oh my goodness. This feels, I gotta put my feet in here. Wait. This feels so freaking good. Hold up, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me get it on the ground. So it just sits on the ground. I don't need the heat, but oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, after you go to church and you've been standing out, it's, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this feels good. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. This is a game changer. You wearing heels? Oh my goodness, this feels so freaking good. When you add heat to it, oh my goodness. Oh, I kid you not. This is a mommy gift. This is definitely a mommy gift. So I'm going to put all the information to this Mountrax foot massager below. And I'll put the pricing and a discount code for you guys from me to you. Make sure that you check this out for your, oh my goodness, this feels so freaking good. It's like it's compressing your feet and then pushing your feet. Oh, I can, Yes, definitely a mommy's gift. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thanks, guys. Mwah. Yeehaw! I feel like, girl, I need to be riding a horse. My name is Jessica Queen Wells. Welcome to my channel. Those of you who are out partying at Coachella, girl, I hope you got your vibe on. Anyway, those of you who are hanging out with me, girl, get some wine, turn up the volume, and let's just do our own thing. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell below so you know every time that I upload a video. Those of you who are coming back, hugs and kisses to you all. I am so glad to have you back. Girl, you seeing my hat? Oh, yes. I picked this hat up from Nordstrom's. I thought I was going to no, I didn't get this from Nordstrom. I got this hat from Burlington Coat Factory. That's where I got it from, Burlington, girl. Get ready, go back. I love you, Nordstrom, but I think I get everything from you. I got this from Burlington, $8.99. Oh, girl, look at my head. Oh, no. But look at the little diamond detailing around this. Isn't that so cute? Yes, girl, $8.99. So I am loving this little hat. It is a Marcus Older, one size fits all. And girl, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, if you want to see what I've been up to, I just been sundressing myself down. I picked up some new shoes that I got off of Nordstrom's sale they just recently had. If you missed that sale, girl, too bad. But I'm sure they're going to have another one coming up. I will let you know about. I also picked up some half the halves at TJ Maxx. So let's get on into. I don't have any nails on today. I'm kind of giving my hands a rest. But anyway, I got these on. So first off, let's start with the little things that I got from TJ Maxx. And I'm just going to pull my chair up. I got my hat on and I'm feeling the vibe. You know, girl, I can pick up some stuff. So, I picked up this little brush. It's a wet brush. It helps with, you know, like especially if you got the curly hair and you are trying to dry it or comb through it. I picked this up. It was $4.99. I've got a few. I have a brush that I use. It was kind of on the cheap side, so I went ahead and picked this little wet brush up, thinking it'll probably give me more control when I'm combing my curly hair. And then I wanted to get some more of the little Miracle Complexion sponges. So I went ahead and picked these up. These are from Real Technique. You get 4 of them in here, and they were $11.99. Girl, that's a little more expensive than I normally be spending. But yeah, so I picked these up. I need some new ones. I need to be able to throw my old ones away. Every once in a while, you need to switch it up if you don't clean your brushes like you should. I normally do, but girl, sometimes these sponges don't be coming clean. So anyway, I picked those up, and I'm just gonna leave those out because I will be using them. The next thing I got was, they had this little Advanced Firm Lift Serum that I would like to use at night. It says use every morning, cleanse face as usual, pat dry, apply a few drops of serum in your hands, and gently press serum into your face. So gently press serum into your face. This is by Esme Labs. So I just like trying out new things. If it doesn't break me out, girl, we on a plus. It's a collagen advanced firm and lift serum. It was $5.99, so I'm going to try that out. I'm going to add that to my daily routine in the morning. And then the next thing I got was, and I've used this one before, it's the L'Oreal Paris Wrinkle Expert Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Cream Day. It's 35+% collagen. It's to reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and hydrate 24 hours. So this is definitely something that you want to put on, you know, every day for at least 2 weeks. I was using it with my Noxzema, which I might go back to because I love Noxzema. It just is really refreshing to the skin. I don't even know if they sell Noxzema, still sell Noxzema. We're going to figure it out. But I love this. I will be definitely adding this to my morning or my night routine. So normally when I take my makeup off at night, I try to put a moisturizer on as I sleep. So I might just start putting this on at night and then putting that gel on underneath my makeup, because I don't want a whole bunch of, you know, stuff on my face in the morning when I have to put my makeup on. I don't want my makeup sliding all over the place. So definitely going to add this to my routine. I'll let you guys know. It says after 2 weeks you can see the results. 2 weeks skin is smoother. After 2 weeks skin feels replumped by 81% of women, and wrinkles reduce. Apply every morning in small circular motions to the face and neck after cleansing. So this is almost the same as that. But girl, I'm gonna put this on at night. And then we're gonna put that on today. Oh, either way, we're gonna use one of them at night, one of them during the day. But we're gonna get it done. So I got that. If you can see my makeup table, girl, you just be like, Next thing I got, and I actually got this dress thinking I could wear it with this hat. This is just cute. This is again from Nordstrom's, and you know it's their final sale. This is just freaking adorable. It looks super short, but with a pair of boots on, I thought this would be just freaking perfect. It is something you might want to put some tights on with, and some little, you know, booty shorts underneath it just in case, girl. But these are just so freaking cute. I think it just looks really cute with this little hat. It is out in the back, but it has this little tie right here that kind of helps you, you know, get your boobs in those little places right here. This dress is a medium, I believe. Yeah, I think it's a medium. Yeah, it's a medium. Originally $77, but yeah, this is by Topshop. Yeah, it's a size 6. So that is like a small medium. But it fits me perfectly. I absolutely love it. So I got that. And then also from TJ Maxx, I picked up this little sundress. This is just freaking cute. It goes over your shoulders like this. I'm going to show you guys. I might put this on today. And then it kind of ties like that. But sundresses are so fun. This is kind of long. You can put on some flat shoes with it. It looks so super cute. And it's out, you know, it's out in the back. But it just gives you that pretty vibe to go with it. I got this in a size medium. It was $24.99. I love the little, you know, strawberries, the fruit and stuff that's on it. I think that is absolutely cute. So let's take this hat off, girl. I'm getting hat hair. But this is just a cute little vibe right there to kind of put on. Let me see what else I want to show you guys. I picked up some shoes, and let me show you those real quick. These are from, well, let me show you these little boots right here. I needed some brown boots. My other ones kind of, okay, so I picked up these little brown boots. I can't remember where I got these from. They are a dupe. I think I got these from, I don't know. But aren't these cute? People are normally getting them in black, but I decided to get them in brown. I thought they would go with that little brown dress I actually picked up. Just something cute. This is the perfect thing I would have worn to Coachella if I would have went, because it's flat. It's got a little bit of heel on it. But yeah, it's just really, really cute. Ain't those cute? And a fraction of the cost. So yeah, those are nice. So another little pair of shoes that I picked up were these. I got these from Nordstrom's Rack. And they are these white little tennis shoes. These are just so freaking cute. I forgot how much. I think these were like 50 something or not sure. I got these in a size 7. I would love to spray these with like a dirt repellent or something, girl, because I can just imagine I wouldn't be wearing these to the park because I wouldn't want to get them dirty. But they are just super, super cute. They got a nice little heel on them, so I love that. Yeah, perfect little shoe. So I got those from Nordstrom's, and I ordered these online because they did not have them in the store. They were like 50 to 60% off. So yeah, and these are, let's see, what is the name of them? Leslie Fab white tennis shoes. So I got those two, and I think that is it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will be seeing you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I'm sure you will find some type of inspiration from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, girl, look at the whole collection of videos till you find something you can relate to. I love you, and I will talk to you soon.